This is what's inside.
Those chocolate balls, it's gonna make the chocolate animals crunchy.
Hi! Welcome to Tell a Friend.
Hi. Ria, what are you holding there?
It's
It's a box. What kind of kit is that, Tella?
a chocolate making kit
Right. And why are we making chocolate again?
because it's Valentine's Day.
Yes, it's Valentine's Day soon. But it's on a weekend. We're not going to be at school though. So the girls want to make some chocolate to give to their friends as an early Valentine's gift. So this year we're going to make little chocolate sticks in the shape of animals. And it looks really easy and fun. So let's do it.
Okay, and we've opened the kit and this is what's inside.
What is that? We have a tray with animal shapes, 4 sticks, milk chocolate, white chocolate, and some little chocolate balls. Okay, and what do we do with the tubes?
With the tubes, we'll dip it in hot water.
Okay, we have to put it in there to melt it slightly so it'll work. So let's leave that in there for a little while. So we cut the tip off the white chocolate, and they're just going to fill in the eyes and the hat and all the little details. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you don't have to do all of it, just do a little. Just enough to be cute. So now I've done my eyes, nose, and mouth with the white chocolate. I'm going to put it in the freezer for a little while. And then we'll take it out and we'll put the dark chocolate on
Now
top.
the white chocolate's frozen, and so now I'm gonna put the dark chocolate on top. That's okay if you ruin it, right, Mama? Oops.
So you're supposed to go all over it though next time.
Put it inside the water and squeeze it a little.
And that makes the chocolate come out well?
Okay.
Okay.
Look at Tella right now.
And Tella, what are you doing?
Putting the sprinkles on.
Ooh,
Those
little
not
chocolate
sprinkles,
balls.
it's
It's gonna make the chocolate animals crunchy.
Now they're in the freezer, and we're going to take them out tomorrow and pack them. It's done. And now we have bags full of these for our friends for Valentine's Day. And happy Valentine's Day. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!